You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names. There are too many mispronounced, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. A name of German origin. In German, for reference, it's said as Jurgen. Jurgen. It normally has an umlaut, 2 dots on the U, indicating the U sound. Now, in English, it's often said as Jurgen. Jurgen, because that U sound doesn't exist in English. But Jurgen should be said really, or Jurgen, or you can simply say Jurgen, but not Jurgen or Jurgen for sure. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and more videos for you to hear to learn more correct pronunciation. See you soon, subscribe, thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.